Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a gift card to OnlyFans. So, let's get started. First of all, it's important to know that OnlyFans currently does not accept traditional gift cards like Visa, MasterCard, or Amazon gift cards directly on their platform. This can be a bit confusing, especially if you have got a gift card and want to use it for subscription or tips. However, there's a workaround. If you have a prepaid Visa or MasterCard gift card, you can try adding it like a normal credit or debit card. Just make sure the card is activated, has enough balance, and supports international transaction because OnlyFans processes payments through international gateways. Now, here's how to add it. First of all, open OnlyFans and make sure you are logged in. Go to your profile, then click on your cards from the drop-down menu and click on Add a new card. Enter the details from your prepaid Visa or MasterCard gift card. Once added successfully, you can use it just like any other payment method on the platform. If the gift card is declined, it may be because OnlyFans doesn't support certain card types or the card doesn't allow international payments. In that case, you might try adding the card to a digital wallet like PayPal. And that's it. Now you know how to add gift card to OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.